Hey guys, changing spark plugs should be a regular procedure for maintaining your car. You should change them every 50,000 kilometers if I'm not mistaken. I will replace my stock Bosch spark plugs with these ones. So first what you need to do, of course, you need to remove the engine cover. Now locate your spark plug igniters, I think this is the term. You want to remove the wires. Typically you want to push this pin down and then pull the plug out. I will show you one trick. So guys like to really hardly push these things out, but the simple trick is to push them inwards, press this, let's call it a button down, and then pull it out. You will find this trick a lot easier. So press it a little bit inwards, push this down and out. Simple. If these things are very stuck, you can help yourself out with a big screwdriver, but be really gentle. You don't want to break these things, so just put it in and then turn it a little bit and then push the whole thing out. But still, again saying, if you will push the wires out a lot, then you will not be really able to unpin this thing. So it's better to push it in and then out, like that. When all of them are done, you want to pull them all out simultaneously. Put them away. And now you want to remove these igniters. Typically you want to grab it and pull straight up. If this gives you hard time, then you can use screwdriver, but again be really gentle. It must go straight up. Pry it up from this side a little bit and then from the other side push it up with your hand. This is one. Second. Third. Work more with your hand than with the screwdriver. Ideally, you pull up these things by hand. Set of tools like this includes everything you need to remove your spark plugs. One very important thing is this long extender. And another one is the socket like that, which has a rubber thing inside it. And then this thing actually grabs the spark plug, which means that you're able to take it out without any issues. So you also have kind of magnetic special sockets, but they're pretty expensive. So I prepared the wrench with the extender and this socket. So this is one. You can see that this socket is firmly holding spark plug in place. Now repeat for the others. Whoa, this one is really bad. Look at this thing. This must have been replaced already. Oh my god. In with the new. Repeat this for all four of them. It says on the new box of the spark plugs that this should be torqued down to 25 to 30 Newton meters. Or if you don't have torque wrench, then make it snug with your hand and then turn it for 1/2 and a little bit more. It should be 1/2 to 2/3 turn. You will find all this information on the box of the new spark plugs anyway. Now when all the fuses are back in their position and torqued down properly, we can return these igniters. Just place them in. Make sure they go straight. And now just push them in. Return the wires, make sure they all go in at the same time. Now return the engine cover and let's try this out. Let's see how the new spark plugs are doing. Okay, good. Looks pretty good. Works fine. Well, nothing changed, which is good. That's it. That's how you replace spark plugs in your Audi TT Mk2. Thanks for watching and see you next time.